We are wired for bliss, for joy, for ease, to live in the grace of abundance that is in this world. And then we get retrained to live in distress, in dis-ease, in nervousness. Are you ready to shift your world from nervousness to ease? Exchange your nervous system for an ease system, trusting the flow of information and energy bubbling up in all the different facets of your life. The chakras relate to different dimensions of our being. And in this upcoming workshop, we're going to be exploring that. And we're also going to be practicing 2 sets of seed sounds, particularly with the focus to receive information and to imprint and activate new directives into the system of your body. To take your world, your holistic mind, from dis-ease to ease, from nervousness to relaxation and receiving. The time of sacrifice is over. It's a time for us to harmonize, to relate to nature once again, and to re-immerse ourselves in the abundance that is this life. This upcoming workshop will help to retrain you on different levels, the different dimensions, the different chakras of your being, give you insights that perhaps you just haven't looked at in this way, so that when you walk forward in life, you may use these tools to support your thriving, your clearing out those things that aren't supporting you and are keeping you stuck. For life is ever abundantly flowing through you. New possibilities awaken every second. Don't miss this chance. Revive your ease system that you were born with and let go of the nervous tensions that are stopping you from being your thriving self.
For you, my name is Niamara, and I'm currently working with Merike in the one-to-one sessions. Since I've started to work with her, I feel more focused and have more clarity in my life. I am very happy that I found her to work with me. I also witnessed some physical changes, and in my inner perspective, I feel more ease. The knowledge that she passes on has helped me to understand my human nature. It's very rooted, deep connected, and that also helped me to root myself. I love the way she teaches and she guides me. I have a deep resonance with that, and I am very happy and grateful that she is on my side to help me to reconnect with myself. Bye.